worked! Unlimited money, unlimited gems, and unlimited likes on this video. No root. Hello, it's me, GameJacker, and today I'm going to show you how to mod Android apps. Do whatever you want, change the app icon, get unlimited money in games, whatever you want to do. There are two tools we're going to use, APK Tool M or APK Editor. There are also other modding tools out there for APKs for PC, Mac, and so on. We're going to use these two. Download links as always are going to be in the description below. While you're there, leave a like for the video, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. And of course, it has to be pointed out that this method will generally only work for apps that do not require the internet in order to work properly. There are of course exceptions, but especially for games, you're going to want to have an offline game that does not require the internet. Else, I recommend HackerBot or HackerBot APK. That will allow you to download more advanced mods for online games. So without any further ado, I do prefer APK Tool M over APK Editor, so I'm going to use this one. This is the Android app that we're going to mod today. It's a game where you are a huge worm and you eat things. We're going to try to get unlimited money and unlimited gems. I've only tried one of these so far. I know money works, gems we'll find out. Are they processed online or not? We'll see. So without any further ado, here's what you do. You start up your favorite APK editor. In my case, APK Tool M. I go to Applications. I find the game that I want to mod and we tap it. We go for decompile, leave the default settings and decompile. It's gonna take a moment. La la la. Once the decompilation has finished, you can go to the folder where the decompiled files are. This is basically the APK package unpackaged, and these are all the files that are therein and that make the app work. And here's the hard part, figuring out what files you need to modify to get whatever you want. Try to use tutorials, common sense, find data files that may contain some information that you want to modify, such as money or rewards or access to XYZ. There's no easy way that works for every single app. In my case, I know the file that I'm looking for is in assets, it's in game, it's in data, and then it's in seasons, because we're going to modify the season rewards for the first season. These three here are the stage 1 rewards for paying users. I'm modifying those just for fun. And these are the rewards for free users of the very first stage of the first season. 999, 999, 999, 999, 999, 999. Yeah! Actually, I was wrong. These are the free rewards, and these are the paid ones. Here's where I'm trying something new. Item 0 free, and here's where we enter gems. This may very well fail, but I just added this line to the code, which should give me gems in the free rewards. If the game is using online verification for gems, I'm screwed, but we'll see. Once you're done editing, tap save. Success. Exit the text editor, go back into the root folder of the app and go for compile this project. Usually you're going to use AAPT or AAPT2 or match the original. I'm going to go for the test key just because it's a test. Compiling. So now all these files are being recompiled into an installable APK file with your mods included. Compilation is complete. Now you need to uninstall the original app, and we're going to install the modded app. Install, success! If you're unsure where in your storage to find the decompiled files, go to APK Tool M, and there you will find all the decompiled APK files. Alright, the modified APK is installed. Let's see if our app modding was a success. I'm just going to play through the tutorial. Alright, mission completed. We have level 3, we continue, and this is where the seasons come in and where we can see the fruits of our labor. Let's go continue. And here, as you can see, 9999999 gems for the paid pass. But what will we get once we tap here? Let's just see. Oh, nice! Unlimited money. Unlimited gems! It worked! It actually worked! I'm actually extremely excited about that one. It worked. I am flabbergasted. I'm not sure yet that I can use these gems, but as you can see, unlimited money and unlimited gems and unlimited likes on this video. Believe it or not, this was actually the first time I tried the gems thing. I was just like, hey, I mean, I could just copy this format and tell the game to give me gems, so let's try that. Let's see if this stuff actually works. So let's just go to my worm and upgrade it to see if the money is legit or if it's stored online and we lose it the second we try to use it because it's an online value. And as you can see, we can spend the money just fine. It's not a problem. About the gems, I'm not so sure. Let's just have a look at something that costs gems. Yeah, it works. It works. I have also unlimited gems. I can basically unlock the most expensive worms, it seems, and stuff. So I'm actually quite surprised that that worked. I didn't actually expect the gems thing to work, but as you can see, we have unlimited money, unlimited gems, no root, modding APKs easily on Android, and that's basically how you do it. So of course, again, it's not going to be as easy as this for every game, especially for online games and other apps. How difficult it is to mod an app is going to depend on the app. Stuff like, for example, changing the app icon is going to be easy. You know, renaming the title is going to be very easy. But then the more complex this thing you want to change, if you want to implement some kind of aimbot or something, it's going to be extremely difficult, something that you can't just simply do by adding a line or, you know, changing some values around. It's going to be more complex than that. But for a lot of people, this is enough. They just want unlimited money and unlimited gems in their favorite Android games, and for that, it obviously works. I tried something new today and it just worked. So that's basically how it is. And I knew it could work because it's an offline game. It doesn't require an online connection to work. Again, for games that have an online connection required, so they actually require you to be connected to the internet to work correctly, what I'm gonna recommend you do is simply use HackerBot APK. You can find it at Cheatware or at the link in the description down below as well, and this will help you to find legitimate cheats for online games. You can also get there by simply googling game hacks or HackerBot, going to hackerbot.net and go into the Hack Finder tool in order to just find legitimate cheats for your online games. So for example, Free Fire APK mod, you will find legitimate cheats for that particular online game. Works for any online game on Android whatsoever. There are bots, there are aimbots, there are wall hacks, there are extremely powerful and complex cheats that you can download here, and that are you're not going to be able to do that on your own. Just modding an APK, most likely, unless you have some kind of higher degree in computer engineering and programming. So basically that's how you do it, and you're gonna skip all the fakes that you'll find on Google, all the fake modded APKs that don't work, that promise you unlimited everything and they give you nothing, and all the scam generators on all the weird stuff. So head over to hackerbot.net, again, Google Game Hacks or HackerBot to get those. All the downloads you'll find on cheatware.net. Just Google cheatware, just like this, cheatware. Go to cheatware.net. You'll find all the downloads there. APK editor, APK tool M, all the stuff that I've used today. Anyways, guys, that's it from me. That's how you mod your favorite Android games for unlimited money, unlimited gems, unlimited gains, and unlimited likes on the video. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and leave a comment if you have any questions whatsoever. Game Jacker out.